Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm off today. I have morning shift tomorrow, but I'm gonna do some stuff in the evening tomorrow, so I'm gonna just carry you guys with me. So it's going to be a weekend in my life. I didn't have much to do today, but I have a little mini house update, and I'm going to show you guys when it's here. Demarley is going to make more pasta, which I can't wait to eat because the first one he made it so good. So I'm gonna make some more of that. Oh, I'm just washing here. I'm gonna get it comb now, and then we have a colic. So I'm gonna bring it with me for the rest of today. Today is April 5, 10:45 now, and I'm doing a look of stuff already. Get ready, brush teeth, wash face, straighten up, wash in big head. And now I will drink tea, and now we're about to. No, I lie. I'm gonna all my scamp now. The one and only virgin here fertilizer. Made it have some. Made it have some leave over another tube here, so I'm gonna say I can't even do. Oh damn! This don't look like I don't can squeeze out. Look like I eat this with this. Good thing I buy one next one. So the morning I got all my scalp with this, and then I go wrap it up back now. Like how I make it on the road. The morning take off this one.
Just don't make me this here.
Take off.
Don't make me this up on your platform, you know.
Take off my sweater.
Don't make me this up on your platform because you come in on my life and everything what I feel me just gone. Don't make me this up.
Take off my sweater.
No, put on my sweater. Right after this, but take off my sweater.
That's why I'm not yours anymore. Kind of weird feel.
Where is something we're gonna do without big head? Where's the fish?
No, me can't keep some from you. I'm going to give up from me. That's not right. That's not right.
Where's it?
It's not yours. It's no longer yours. Anyways, I'm gonna mess up with this now. Why them tape it up so? Christ. What do you mean I'm sweater? It even can't fit here again. You're not?
No, me look hot, yes, but me not. Man's not hot. Never hot. Scrap!
Anyways, my rub kind of messy because me asleep, the bonnet just always a set up. I mean, if you get one next bonnet like one, you know the bonnet that we talk about, like one of them silk bonnet like this, they know me I talk about. You keep on the slide off my head. Me didn't have this something me put around it, but me take that off and just put it on like this. So,
okay, sleep bud.
Yeah, come sleep bud.
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a deep, but the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kilo fat, why now, my lady, that be within there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, you want to get hurt, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need your gun, I go my eye, I'ma need your gun,
but I need you now. Yeah, I find I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess.
This is what it's looking like now. Bigger than what I expect, but it's still nice. So can finally take washing machine off the list. Though it might look a bit dirty because we need to get some for like scrape off or some did I feel like tile clean. I'm not sure, but the more let him bought it some. That's why it looks so handy. From pushing it in, it kind of leaves some more pine, but this is it now. Washer. For anybody who asks where we buy it, we did not buy it. It was gifted to us from Demarley's dad. My father-in-law, so yeah. Never buy this. This was a gift from him to us. So very, very grateful, but we love it. We are trying to set it up now. My pipe kind of look a bit too long still now, but one man will come here and look on it. And then, yeah, we should be up and running. But this is what the update is. Looking really nice. Like, I love it.
I try to need you, but I need some last time. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. And not me to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you, goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my want to come from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need. Give me what you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
Babylon, Panellian, in the street, and the main, and never give me that Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him sleep, living night. More, yeah, that she when nobody can find. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me can't take no miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them not stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill two of them up in at this.
rain just toss it out and no way. So good thing we don't wash it here though. We did wipe out the inside. We did wipe out the inside and put some, I don't know if I'm running, but we did wipe out the inside and put some on the black part of the interior and the red salt. So right now the mud still there. We have to put one of the mat them when in the car. When never make a put in back, put over me and come down. But it's a good thing we did get to wash, but me I pop out them here and some stuff that we get from them and the father because he come from overseas a few weeks now and they just do collect some of this. So we have this, we have the inner one orange juice bottle but has some cooking on. 2 sardines, 1 corned beef, 1 spam. Like this. Me need to because it almost look like meat luncheon. But this night we love this. And the 3 other sausage here. With a big bag of flour. So now we just have to put them away and then we'll start getting stuff ready to work.
Me caught it now miss. My finger move swift, me gun them nasty. Why them on, tell them get the tongue cooked up. Every gun's up, every killer mass up. Mass have a band them in, so does the clock.
The cooking in here. And we have the broccoli, so I wonder. I don't want to mix them doing because this obviously look like one different cooking. So I'm going to just make this stay and put this in this. I'm going to just make it. Yeah, this
Someone not fit the way I feel my lips. No, so you must come at me, kill them no work. So long as them a talk food too well swag. And now I be the gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick.
And a coffee in this as size. This is a coffee we buy. And this, no, this is a coffee we buy and this is what I finish.
I'm in a kill, 2 of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. My finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
And if you just throw this now, because it's basically empty. So I'm going to put the remainder of this in a this.
Like sponge up, put the rest but mother belly down penny with me. How you know about gun man?
I put 3 of them back here and I don't know why I store them up because we don't use them so I just throw them away.
Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon stay in town in the fine for gone for medicine, I hear me. You must be sick. And I 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. My finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Coffee them sick. It's me. I'm in a kill, 2 of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. My finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Crypto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Platinum.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes
We can't never run out of ketchup because the more ketchup is.
dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come me, I too fry, I get burned.
Yo, you see that tuna here? Thai chili sauce. Oh my god, this.
Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
I wonder. Maybe just put it in a day. Maybe just make it stay like that, you know. Hopefully not worse, but them here are so much stuff already good. Let me just show you because why not? This belt, this looks so strong, but one belt to the money, been on one belt, and this is a strong, it looks so strong. Here, strong as belt. But it gets so sure for me, and they look so tiny, but I'm still wear them because I wonder, only one way to find out. I'm gonna try them on, but maybe try them on maybe, but they look so small. But this is one. This is one. If they're too small for me, maybe wear them as yard clothes or like errands clothes. I don't know. But me say, oh, they look for me when we try them on. But this is another one. Another one. Another one. The one that look the biggest. Another one. Love this. See them all. This is a jeans pants, so it's stretchy, but I'm gonna take it in because yeah, I'm gonna take it in. Dress shirt for the Marley. That shirt, oh my god, that shirt how bad that shirt that the Marley shirt in. Like this go crazy. Like, I love the design. It's so different and the material is so nice. But another one for the Marley. Another one for the Marley. And that sweater, you guys. I tell you, when they have to look. I forget how we're off on face. Look how nice. So tempted to wear it, but when you wear it for the first time, then me I got full.
What do you mean so tempted to wear it? So tempted to wear what?
Why are you rushing to fight me so far?
Yeah, put it down. Put it down. Temptation is a sin. Put it down.
Man, run, come on, your friend.
Put it down. We're going to do it. I'll be scalp. Oh, tempted. Oh, so tempted.
Show me, show them.
So tempted to do it. So then put on, you know what I think? So then put on, go so whirr. And drop on that with that. Oh God, man.
With it cuts it off.
Wow, everything did.
This is the little mini haul. I'm not gonna try them on. I'm not gonna try them on. Then if you wash them first, which we can do that one next day. But there are some other stuff we get from Info. We get some other stuff, but I don't feel like show everything because you give me some slippers. But I don't feel like take out everything and show because yeah. They may just do what we get today. I'm just showing us, so I'm just putting them back in our bag. I'm not sure what we're gonna do right now, but whenever we do something else, we get back with it. So I just make film tea, peppermint tea bag, and that's it. Me know my coffee. I just put in some coffee and some salt. Yes, I put salt in my coffee. And I put in some of this and some creamer, and I go pack with lunch kit. And I'm over here, so now. Honey and make fashion. This is pasta, and then you have this. So tuna I did show earlier, and then you add this cheese, and yeah, that's where we are right now, Chef Lois.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that.
me tell you, when you said you say, buy two soap instead of two detergents. No, you want.
Tuna and the cheese there, like this looks so yummy. This looks so yummy. Can't wait to bust this down. Them here I something with them on the bake banana bread. I want cookie and I warm them up. I want them up into so nice, but yeah. This is a finished product. This I will launch to work tomorrow morning. It's over our morning shift, so I'm gonna just catch that this and make it go on cool. And I weed that some packet lunch kit them already. So I just see that young man over there bed now. So in my last video someone commented if you do a tutorial and how I wrap my hair, so like how I wrap it now, I just show now, I just comb it out, then we just try and comb it down like so. So you just make like one, I don't know what you call it, so like one center part right there. So just comb your ear down, go all the way around your head. And then you just comb it so, or brush. Try to like hold down the middle part so when you comb it, you don't lift up. So like hold it down while you comb it to go round. And me now, I use a brush to just make it lay down more. And that's basically it, but I take a few extra steps and use them here. I've been using them, that's why it looks so rusty and dusty. But it helps to hold on my hair, especially since I use that something here, because you know, when I sleep sometimes it just slide off of my head. So when it slide off of my head, my hair still a hold on because I have them here clipped in. So I just clip them in, one here, one here, one at the back here, and then last one right here. See? Now move. And then I go in with one of this and wrap all the way around. And then I put on a bonnet, and that's literally it. So yeah, I don't have any more stuff I do right now. My papa lunch kit, the man done cook the pasta, get myself ready for work, and now I go brush my teeth and I go watch some YouTube video until I drop asleep, or until the time I just go sleep. So I will see you guys in the morning when we're up and getting ready for work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Psych! So I know me say I go check back in the following morning, but basically 8 o'clock now, 9 night, and as you can see, I am very much dressed. One of my friend's birthday come up in the next few days, so we are gonna go out tonight. We're planning to go to the movies. Hopefully everybody reach on time. The movie starts at 8:15, and I'm a movie I've been watching. Can you believe Godzilla vs. Kong? So I'm gonna take that show. We're gonna go to the movies, and then after the movies, we're gonna go John Cruz, that one restaurant / bar. Nice, I love it. So yeah, I'm about to head out now. The man go drop me off and then we finish. Me will call him and then go pick me back. So this is my little fix. I was actually going to wear a more skimpier top, but a night now, so I just put on this. I'm gonna be wear this now. Wear this. Rate my fits. If you don't want to say I want to fit, I just like one, so I'm just fling on. Well, I'm having them whites. I'm sure I don't know what time. And this is the OOTN because it's not the day, it's the night, so it's OOTN. Yeah, so this is how I'm looking. As we say, I basically that's at age like 7:20 something. So now I go. Give me that. Give me that.
You look
We
like
think they're gonna cover it.
you look like one girl. You look like one school teacher.
What school teacher?
Mm,
Really, I born.
Yeah, it's
I born.
sick back.
Yeah, sick back. But I'm going to head out now. I really want to try and get some little clips for now, but that's going to be in public. But I don't know, but I will try my best. I'm pretty sure when we reach in Managua, we might feel one outro or something. But if that's the case, then thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more, stay tuned and like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.